Start.
Watch. I look like the started.
Okay. Yes, I'll get it. Yes. Okay. Just want to know what that means. So, we did our first 5 listening vocab words. Yes, Ethan. I have one up here. Does anybody else need a paper? You make sure for your pencil. Anybody else?
I need a pencil.
Okay, so our words that we're going to do. So our first word is according to. Say according to.
According to.
Our second word is expressing. Say expressing.
Expressing.
Thank you for those who did it.
Expressing.
His or her opinion.
Opinion.
Okay, everybody say expressing his or her opinion.
Expressing
His or her opinion.
Can you zoom in a little, please?
Yes. Remember, quiet info if we need that, okay? I'm sorry I didn't do it already. What's up?
Wait, you said his?
His or her. So, the reason we're putting his or her is because it's not referring to you specifically. I understand you are either a his, her, or whatever you identify as. But this is talking about the person that you're listening to who's talking, which could be either or. What's up? I'm sorry? You need the paper? Pencil. There's gonna be a pencil right up here. Okay,
I got you.
everybody say best support.
What?
Right again. Everybody say best support.
Best support.
Okay? Everybody say persuasive.
Persuasive.
Thank you, right on. Everybody say persuasive.
Persuasive.
And then lastly, everybody say reasons.
Reasons.
Okay, like we did on Monday, you're gonna go through and you're gonna circle 1, 2, or 3. 1, I do not know this word or its meaning. 2, I have heard this word but do not know its meaning. And 3, I know this word and its meaning. When you have them all, give me a thumbs up, and then we're gonna show as a class where we're kinda at with these words. Thank you, Harpasa. Thank you, Arnash. Thank you, Abubakar. Thank you, Arash. Thank you, Abubakar. Thank you, Based. Idris, Ali, thank you. Thank you, Hafiz, and Talal, or Noman. Okay, a couple more seconds, and then we're gonna hold up what we know. Thank you, Jira. Okay, when you hear the word according to, in regards to a question on LPAC, do you, 1, not know the word or its meaning, heard the word but don't know the meaning, or know the word and its meaning? Hold it up. 1, 2, or 3. I got some 3s.
And which one? The first one?
Yeah.
According to. I got some 3s. I got a couple 2s. That's a 3, 2. Okay. When we hear the word expressing his or her opinion, what is the question asking you? Do you know what it means? Not know what it means? Or at least heard the word? I got a couple 1s, 3s. Okay. Best supports. Have you heard it? Do you know what it means? 1, 2, or 3. I got some 3s, some 2s. 3, 2, 3. Okay. Persuasive. What does persuasive mean? Do we know? Have we heard of it? Yes.
Does it mean to get someone to agree with you?
And yeah. So we have written persuasive writing 1 or 2 times on like small things, but yes, we did a persuasive writing on superheroes a while ago, like a very quick one.
And then on the Hammurabi.
Hammurabi was argumentative, which is also persuasive. Those are hand in hand. You're arguing your perspective, you're persuading the person on your opinion. Okay, reasons. Do we know? Have we heard? We got a lot of threes on that one. Okay, so now we're gonna go through the definition. I'm gonna write it, and then we are all going to say the word and repeat the definition, okay? All right, so according to is stated or said by a certain person. So go ahead and write it.
Stated.
Stated or said by a certain person.
Wait, what? Stated or
Said.
Stated or said by a certain person. And an example on the LPAC would be, according to the teacher. When you are done with this definition, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, I see you, Diana, Anash, Blocker, Reese. That's it. Okay, you are perfect, please, Sahar. Thank you for those who are communicating quickly and quietly. It's very helpful. Okay, a couple of you are still writing, and that's okay. I want you guys to repeat after me. According to.
According to.
Means stated or said.
Stated or said.
By a certain person.
By a certain person.
You should probably have an A right there. Sorry. Okay. Expressing his or her opinion. Repeat it. Expressing his or her opinion.
Expressing his or her opinion.
So that means saying one's opinion or feelings.
Saying one's
Sorry, I was not clear on that. Go ahead and write it, and then after we're all written, we'll repeat it, okay? So it's saying one's opinion or feelings. And then an example on the LPAC would be, the speaker is expressing her opinion about.
Oh, I got two papers.
That's okay. Just write on one. Thank you, Hamza. Okay. So if you're still writing, that's okay. Just repeat after me as you say it. Expressing his or her opinion.
Expressing his or her opinion.
Means saying one's opinion or feelings.
Means saying one's opinion or feelings.
Okay? Does that make a little bit more sense in regards to what you might be hearing on the LSAC?
Yes.
Okay. Remember, right now, this entire class and what we're focusing on is, my goal and hope is you will all pass the LPAC. Okay?
Same.
And I do think a lot of you could do it. So that's why I'm trying and spending all of this time to get us to know how to best understand your questions on the LPAC, so that it's not, I don't understand what they're saying because they're confusing. It's, okay, I know what they're asking, now I can show them what I can do. And either you're ready to pass it or not, but nonetheless, you're set up to do your best. What's up to Lowell?
How are you gonna know we passed the LSAT?
I think I find out about the same time as you. So it won't be like I know early or whatever. I just want you guys to be able to do your best. Hamza?
Does the already have diagnostic effect on your
I already does not. For math, English does.
I passed it, and I got like almost 500. No, like almost under the law.
Alright, so we're gonna keep going. Those were good questions, but let's make sure that we are writing. So, say best support.
Best support.
This one's a longer one, so I will go slower, okay? It's the strongest or best reason, example, or detail that strengthens someone's opinion.
What?
So this would be,
You read one, right?
One more time.
yes, I will read it while I write
One more
it.
time.
I will read it while I write it. Best support, meaning it is the thing that will best support your reasons for persuading someone in your opinion. Okay, so the strongest,
The strongest.
strongest,
Who's the best?
or best reason, example, or detail that strengthens someone's opinion. So, the strongest or best reason, example, or detail that strengthens someone's opinion. Example on the LPAC would be, which of the following best supports the speaker's opinion? Which of the following best supports the speaker's opinion? Okay. So repeat after me. Best supports
Best support.
means the strongest or best reason,
The strongest or best reason.
example, or detail that strengthens someone's opinion.
Example or detail that strengthens someone's opinion.
Okay. I'm gonna move a little quick through the next two just to make sure we get them and we can get them glued in, okay? What's up?
What is like the real score for each of the?
You have to get a 2 on the LPAC overall. It's not by question, it's overall.
So how many questions like you have to get right for like each?
That is something that I asked and it's not a really clear answer, but we can talk about it after if that works. Okay, so say persuasive.
Persuasive.
So this is makes you want to believe.
Make you want to believe.
Or support an idea. We're doing a semicolon. Remember that means we're talking about the same thing, but it's a different thought. It's trying to change your thinking. An idea. Example would be, what statement is most persuasive?
Is that an idea?
An idea, and then a semicolon. Okay. So repeat after me. Persuasive
Persuasive.
means makes you want to believe or support an idea,
Makes you want to believe or support an idea.
or try to change your thinking.
Or try to change your thinking.
Okay, I'm gonna get the last one on there so you guys can see it and do your best to get it written in, okay? So reasons means to explain and support a thought, idea, or opinion.